Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have our 2018 Toyota RAV4 and we're going to proceed to remove the window regulator to be able to replace that if needs be. So to get here we've removed the inner door panel. We've also removed the window unit itself, and so now we can gain more access to be able to remove the window regulator. So to get to where the window regulator is, it's behind this cover also, and so and we've got two bolts here. There's another bolt in here and potentially another one, so we're going to have to pull more of this cover back. So just try to pull it nice and easy, not get it all stuck to your fingers the best, so that we can re-adhere this back on and we're done. So we're just going to pull this back and we're going to bring our door handles through the hole here. Okay, so that should be enough. We've got one bolt right under here we got to remove. These two bolts we remove. This one we just loosen a little bit. So it'll pop up because this is a guide set bolt. And we've got two bolts here to remove and the electric connector. So we'll start with by the electric connector, just pull the tab and unhook the electric there. And then we'll remove the two number 10 bolts on this side of her. Cover there. This one, just loosen a bit. And then right up in here, we have one more. And then these two. So we remove the 5 bolts and loosen the 6th one here. And then with that loose, then you can just pop this up, push it back, and then you just kind of clamp this all together and you can pull the whole unit out to be removed. If you were just going to go about replacing the motor, it would be these 3 bolts. Pop the motor off, pop the new one on, and tighten it back up and put it back in. But like I said, a lot of times, honestly, buying the whole unit with the motor all attached is cheaper than buying just the motor itself or just the regulator itself. So you just buy them together as one full unit and have peace of mind that you've replaced the whole thing. So that's how you remove it. Remove your window regulator on your 2018 Toyota RAV4. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.